Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Volt King BD. This is a 24 volt 3 kilowatt H inverter. It is showing fault code 09. This fault usually indicates a problem that requires proper diagnosis and repair. Fault code is 09 is most commonly caused by a shorted MOSFET. In most cases, the MOSFET needs to be checked and replaced. If it is found to be faulty, I found both the bus voltage side and the MOB wire short circuited. Many components on the bus voltage side have been damaged. Viewers, to get more video like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments. We'd love to hear thoughts. Thank you, my dear friends. See the full video.